What's up, guys? So, welcome back to the O Post. I'm Katie Osborne, and today we're doing a photo shoot. But before we do a photo shoot, I have to, let me show you. I have to paint my prop. See? It's a fence, obviously. Okay, so since I have to paint the prop, I'm going, what the heck? I'm going to my sister-in-law's house, and we're going to paint it, and I'm gonna video the entire thing. I did not video how I made this fence, sorry. But anyway, so, made the fence yesterday with my father-in-law. It's made out of pallets except for the, flaps in the back to hold it. This stabilizers, whatever. Those are not made out of pallet wood, but everything else is made out of pallet wood. It didn't cost me anything, so that was a plus. But I can put in the description or somewhere here how much it could cost you if you didn't have, like if you have to buy like screws or whatever. So we used a staple gun, a nail gun. So, and then I have that prop and that. So now we're gonna head over to my sister-in-law's house. I'm gonna call her and tell her I'm on my way. And we're going to video this process on how we're gonna make this, how we're gonna paint this, and what we're gonna do, and then set up the photo shoot. And it's gonna be great, and we're gonna have so much fun doing it, and I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so we're here at my sister-in-law's house. We're gonna paint. We have all of our supplies. So I have a sample yellow paint, which I hope it's gonna be enough to paint this huge fence that you're about to see in a second. And then we're gonna make it look like peeling paint. So we're gonna put white over top of it, and we're gonna use candlesticks and duct tape, and I'll show you how the process is gonna go with that. I found this video on YouTube, and I will see about linking it below. I don't know. So let's get to painting. I need a candle. Wow, that didn't work. Fire! gonna let this first layer dry, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna rub the candlestick on top of the first layer. And then we're gonna paint our second layer, which is gonna be white. And then we're gonna let that dry. And then we're gonna take duct tape and peel up and see if it'll give me that peeling paint look that I'm going for. And then we'll set up the photo shoot. So we'll see y'all in a bit. Now we're gonna wax from this top coat here that we did. Me and the kids, me and the kids are gonna wax this whole thing, so here we go. Now we're going to dust off the excess bits. Okay, so now we're gonna paint over the wax. We're gonna paint it white and then we're gonna let that dry. And now we wait for it to dry. So, see you in like 3 hours. Okay, so we're gonna put it outside so it'll dry faster. It's not really humid right now, so, and it's super sunny. So, we're gonna go put it outside.
Yeah, put that thing. I'm not sure how tight it's gonna hold it. So watch your tripod. It kind of.
So now we're going to take Gorilla Tape. Thank you, Stacy. And we're going to peel up, see if this works, peel up the paint. Well, I think we have to get a new piece every time. So, please work. Ooh, yay! It's not a Pinterest fail.
Where'd you put it?
why'd you put it somewhere? Should take it away from me?
Our ball of tape. Okay guys, so we have officially finished the peeling process. It did pretty, did a pretty good job actually, and it looks really good. So we're gonna test it out with just using the camera as a, photo camera, not a video camera. So, and yeah, so I think it looks really good. Very rustic and nice. So, here we go. Alright guys, so we just finished the photo shoot and I'm leaving my sister-in-law's now, and I think we're gonna call that a wrap. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one.